Oh, I should have got some warm water. I'm gonna tell them to bring me some warm water for the baby skills.
Now, this I hid in her house. It was there for 3 days. And she still was with Pastor when we got ready to leave, so I just brought it on out.
I be on the grind. I don't have
Yeah, she be on the grind and
money
yeah.
call, I run. No, not really though. Oh man, what did you buy me?
Now, that's actually the wrapping.
Well, I love scarves, so I thought that was the gift.
No, that's not the gift. You could keep it with, you know, so technically it's a gift, but it's also the wrapping.
So you actually give me the scarf?
Yes.
What did you get me?
Well, if you keep unwinding, you'll find out.
Oh Lord, why is that giving me gifts? I am not used to getting gifts.
Don't snag that scarf. You're going to want to keep it for years, you know.
I know.
Sugar-free syrup and regular syrup.
Thank you.
What is this? You know what? This perfume?
Yes.
Is this the same thing?
Yes. That's refillable, so you can take this and refill it with that.
Well, I thought it was a net around.
There's a gnat around?
Yeah. Oh, I want to smell it. Want me to spray it?
It's up to you.
I'm scared.
Oh.
I don't know what's going to smell like. Oh, this smells good. Oh, thank you.
Now,
oh, it's just replacing the perfume that got stolen.
what perfume that got stolen?
You didn't know, like my one of my perfumes got stolen at the airport.
Wow.
When I was leaving Atlanta. Oh, well, thank you. Now tell me
In the
about
meantime, that's called nude, and it's reactive to body chemistry. So 10 minutes from now, when you smell it, it's going to smell different because it's going to go by your individual body chemistry. That's sold by BB's Dazzling Design.
Very nice.
Well, Jafra, which I get it from BB's Dazzling Design.
And I love it's so funny.
On me, it smells like citrus and flowers.
It smells like a masculine scent. I love it.
On you, it smells musky.
I love it. Most of the stuff I wear is like masculine.
With vanilla.
Very nice. Thank you. I love perfume.
Now, I was going to wrap this.
Look at the scarf.
Yeah, I was going to wrap the perfume in the scarf, and then it occurred to me you could put it in the bag when you're done.
What do you notice about this?
What
did you ask me on Wednesday about my decor in the house?
Yeah, it's like mom's colors.
You said it was black and gold, and ain't that something? God told me to do black and gold, and He gave me a black and gold scarf. Still in honor of Grammy. She's still with us. Thank you. I am grateful. That just made me smile.
Last thing, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Topaz, my little miracle. Happy birthday to you.
Well, thank you. Appreciate it.
I love birthdays. It's the only time I sing it. Nobody complains about my voice. Now we're going to have Perkins. I got coffee coming. I'm being good. Look, look. Sugar-free syrup.
Yes.
And then that's yours. Take that. Take that. Yep. So I don't get tempted. Yeah. And this has been Pizza.